crafty friends. This is Deborah with All Day Pink, and today I want to talk about a new system that I'm using for my journals. It's called Tangent Templates. I don't get anything for sharing this, so I'm not compensated in any way. I am actually just doing this video because I need something to show myself. So a lot of times when I do videos, it's just so I can post them to remind myself how I did it in the first place. So I just post these for your viewing pleasures. Anyway, so what my goal here is that I work with Canva. So I needed to know how to convert my tangent templates to a PNG so that I can use it for Canva. And what we have to do is we would go and we will look for a template. In this case, I'm just going to go to, I'm just going to pick one, spell paper, for example. Trim size, I'm going to do 8.5 by 11. I'm just going to do one just for this example. Bleed, I put bleed because I want it to go outside of the cut lines. I'm going to do interior download. It's going to download. I'm going to go to my favorites after it's downloaded, of course. I'm going to remember what I've downloaded, though I have downloaded quite a bit of pages because I'm working on my journal. I'm going to go to Tangent because it's a PDF, of course. Upload PDF here. You should be uploading like 24. I'm going to only upload one so I can do my example. I'm going to do recents. Oh, so it's not even showing the recent one, but let's just go ahead and do this one, the anxiety, because I have that, and or had that, God is good. And then we will do click to view fonts, pages, download, and pings. Download all pages as pings. And I don't know if I did it or not. Yeah. Okay. Then it'll do downloading all PNGs. May take a while. We're going to click OK. And then there. Now it should be a ping for us. And we just unzip it. Then it's going to open for us. Here it should be right there as a PNG, and then I can carry this on over to Canva for my journal. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. It might take me a little while over here. I don't really get the alerts, but I'll do what I can. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Be safe. Be safe. Bye.